up there. And here he comes down field for another lap, going very, very well indeed. 0 for our lady driver in circle 4. I suspect he may have a broken drive shaft, and it looks like it's going to be a clean sweep from flag to flag for Finley Damon in the 08 car. And Finley comes through turn 3 and 4 up the home straight. Finley Damon takes the win. 65 is in second place. That's Alfie Painter, and in third position the 622 car of Harvey Webb. Keep it coming if you will, Mr. Starter. We do need some more places we've got there, and we can go red. Almost. So well done to all of those drivers. I think it was relegation to 4th place actually for the so not surprisingly the lead taken over. Go Joey! And Matt Nutley looks to have a slightly faster car, so but 80 makes his way through on the inside. I think that's an old Jag that the spark may get a bit of moisture on the raceway. Weevil is out on track and looking quite good in this one. Capacity, and with 3 to go there. Position is 5.22. And the rest of the cars come over the line for their respective positions. So 609 and 65.
Oh, that was
Oh, 2 rollovers.
Oh, 2 rollovers, did you say?
We have a red on the field off the first lap in the lead. And another rollover here on the home straight.
And another
622 car. He's up alongside now. 65 takes the win. But I think it was 622 just at his nose ahead. But I looked the subject to that was
much better.
622 just got ahead there for second place with 670 in third. So well done to all of those drivers taking part in this one. That was an eventful race by any standards of racing, and congratulations to the 65 driver Alfie Painter, who makes that a second, a first win of the afternoon, but he's also and Turkish, they're the top 3. That's the orange and purple car, the silver and white car, and then 218 behind these, and the 03. Ready to go, Mr. Starter, for Weevil as it comes through. Now onto the far side of the race for the very last time. Down into turn 3 he goes. And here we are, absolutely. Looked like he was going for it there, but he didn't quite make it. Weevil takes the cars far through now for their respective positions. And what a good race I'm really looking forward to the very first time. I have to tell you. Anyway, he's sitting around. Red. Now Mr. Starter, and what a fine win. Didn't see how
backfire
onto the outside. That's our lady has a proper lever on Riley Marsh after popping 609 there, but Dickers moving up ahead for our race leader 622. Oh goodness me, a very sideways Riley Marsh, who comes up the home straight for the final time to win today's final for the Junior Lammers. In second place was the 670 car of that was rounded out by who was it rounded out by? We shall see. But 670 there in second place. one.
Yeah, two.
The silver in white coloured car, the red machine is very rapidly in our already out final. The 281 which is his final, but unfortunately the car has got as fast as we can see. 72 comes back out onto the track. 281. Oh, the airbag's gone off. In 281 by all appearance. Overtaking move on him. Gets the 328 car a bit sideways. Also James, who's flying and peeling off the laps faster than I can for Turkish. There he is, James Liston takes the race win in car 18. Well, who's it going to be? Who are you supporting? Joey is still running, 760, position in the Destruction Derby.
Go, Joey!
No traction at the tail end, but down on turns 1 and 2 as Joey goes in hard on the tail end. The 4-5. So 328 spins the Chrysler. That's the good starting once again. Bit of damage on the front end and accelerates and spins. So who's it going to be then? Well, car number 80, Matt Nutley is still going from 20. So 80 and 322 and 309 all come together here on the home straight. But I'm not sure if that was terminal for any of them. It looks like the 80 car of Martin Perkins. Well, it was until very, very recently. Yeah, he's so the only car moving is the 80 car of Matt Nutley at the moment. So unless any of the other cars can get going, we'll have a countdown from 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Matt Nutley declared the winner in car number 80. With the runner-up going to car 309. There we are then, so well done to Matt Nutley.
I'm actually going to destroy it now.
And I can now give you the result of the banger final.